Charlie and Larry, come here. Want to see the new garbage disposal I just had installed? Yeah, I'll look at it. Alright. It's so powerful that it'll grind up this banana. Watch. Now I just gotta flick the switch. Here we go. There. It's all gone. That's something, Gary. Try something else. I'll try this. Watch how it grinds up a grapefruit. Ah, there, it's all gone. I shut the motor off. That's pretty good, Gary. I've got to go to the store and get one more thing for it. Would you like to come along with me, Larry? Sure, I guess so. Let's go. I'm bored and my brothers are not back yet. Oh, that garbage disposal. I'm gonna try it out for myself. Yeah, that'll give me something to do. It's gonna be fun. I wonder if there's anything to grind up. Huh, I wonder. I'm gonna try grinding this up in it and see what happens. Close nothing, I'll turn it on now. There it goes, it worked. It actually worked. Hey, I'll tell my brother. Now what can I try? Oh, I know. I got something. Here. Larry's shoes. He won't mind. Turn it on. Hey, it's going. Hey, alright, it worked. Ah, that's neat. I'll shut it off. That's something else. There's got to be something around here that I can add to it. I'm having fun. Socks of Larry's. I'm going to use those. It might work. Now I'll turn it on. Ah, this isn't working quite as well for some reason. Ah, they're all gone. There. I'm going to try one more thing. This is fun. I put a knife in there, see if it'll grind it up. Then we won't have to wash it. Ah, it's not working. Oh no, I'm going to be in trouble. It looks like it's all ground up in there. It don't look right. Oh no, my brothers are going to be mad at me. Here they are now. Oh no. What did you do to that garbage disposal? Not much. Don't worry. Broke our garbage disposal. I'm mad. I'm gonna chase you. No, don't. Oh yeah? I'm right behind you. I'm gonna get him too. Don't get me. Don't. Come on, Larry. You're not gonna get me. No, you're not. We're gonna get you. And you, Larry. I'm coming too. I'm gonna go in the bathroom. It's locked. Come on out of there, Charlie. Come on. He's not coming out, Larry, at all. Leave me alone, guys. I'm not coming out of this bathroom until you calm down. Charlie? No, I'm not going to come out. I'm going to stay in here. Just remember, Larry, I get the key to the bathroom. Fix them. Open it up. You can stay in there, Charlie. Surprise, Charlie. Oh. You're not going back upstairs. I'm right behind you, Gary. Oh boy, my brothers are so mad at me. I don't know what I'm gonna do to make up to them. Oh, wait a minute. They want something to get rid of garbage, huh? Hey, maybe I can come up with something. Maybe. I'll try it. There, I hope my brothers like this invention. This is our old vacuum cleaner. I turned it into a garbage disposal. When you turn it on, it turns the motor and it grinds up the stuff. And it gets rid of it for you. Brothers, come in here a minute. I got a surprise for you. What does he want now? Don't know. Let's go out there and see. Our vacuum cleaner. What did you do with our vacuum cleaner? You'll see. I just turned it into an electric garbage disposal. It'll work. It better work. I get it all ready to go now. I got it filled up with all kinds of garbage. Squish boxes and everything. I'm going to turn it on now. There. Hey, shut that off, Charlie. Shut that off, Charlie. Hey, shut it off, Charlie. Charlie. Okay, I'll shut it off. Oh! There, it's off, everybody. Look at the mess you made on the floor. You pick it up, Charlie. Some garbage disposal you made. I'm sorry. Ruined our vacuum cleaner. Let's get him, Larry. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Behind you guys. I'm coming. We got our new garbage disposal. You know what it is? What's that? And this won't fall apart, and Charlie can't ruin it either. Now, here's some garbage to put into it. Yep, it works. Good. We should have stuck with that in the first place. With a brother like Charlie, I can see why. I can't help it, guys.